Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 2. As I told you yesterday, I went to some shopping adventure to Sarojini Nagar market after years, and to be honest, I was really happy. मैं जब भी जाती थी मुझे कुछ बहुत अच्छा नहीं मिल पाता था because I really crave for that good quality in everything that I wear. So, but yesterday जब मैं गई तो मुझे actually कई चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की मिली हैं. Okay, so for this video I have decided to do a little giveaway. इनमें से कुछ 2 items I will gift to one of you as a giveaway. सो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना एंड आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सी 2 आइटम्स मैं गिव अवे गिफ्ट दे रही हूँ. सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट. एंड गिव अवे के रूल्स आपको पता ही होंगे. इस वीडियो को लाइक करना है, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और नीचे कमेंट करना है कि आपको सबसे फेवरेट आइटम कौन सा लगा. एंड दैट्स इट. एंड वन ऑफ यू कैन विन 1 piece of jewelry and 1 piece of cloth from the whole haul. So stay tuned for that. So I'll be starting off with the jewelry first and then I'll move on to the clothes. So this is the first item that I got. These are pearl hoops and that's how they look like. They are very pretty and they look so beautiful. Plus I got them at unbelievable prices. And you know what, you can find these similar hoops and other jewelry that I saw in Sarojini on Instagram easily, but the prices are way higher. So that's the benefit of living in Delhi. You can easily go to Sarojini and find the same things at much cheaper prices. And I got this for rupees 25. Can you imagine? Yes, this is for rupees 25. So the second pair of hoops that I got from Sarojini are these hoops. These are very big hoops. Pearl hoop से भी ज़्यादा बड़ा size है इनका and that's how they look like. These have got little cuts all over the hoops. ये बिल्कुल plain नहीं है. So that's the best part कि थोड़ी सी detailing है इनमें. And let me show you how big they are. कैन यू सी मेरी पूरी आर्म्स इसमें फिट आ गई है कि यहाँ तक पहुँच रहे हैं. इतना बड़ा साइज़ है इनका. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. मैं बहुत टाइम से बहुत बड़े हूप्स ढूंढ रही थी जो मुझे ईजिली नहीं मिल रहे थे. मैंने एक्चुअली इंस्टाग्राम पर देखे बट द प्राइसेस वर रियली हाई सो आई डिडंट बाय. बट फाइनली सरोजनी में आई गॉट देम and I'm really excited to accessorize them. The third pair of hoops that I got are these. These are again in golden color but not plain. These are comparatively smaller than the other ones that I've bought. Again for rupees 25. Very cute, very lightweight and I think it's worth every penny. So the last pair of hoops are these ones and that's how they look like. Again quite a big size but not as big as the golden one. That's the biggest size that I've got and I'm really happy about it. These are again for rupees 25. Very sturdy. The material is very thick. It won't break easily, not at all flimsy. Again I bought them for rupees 25, so that's the best part. And for all of them together I paid rupees 100. So the first item that I got from Sarojini is this beautiful pink romper. It has a flower thing going on and I really love floral clothes on myself. It has a black and yellow flower going on the pink color and I believe the combination is really good. प्लस आई कैन ईजिली वेयर इट आउटसाइड. और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मुझे इसको घर पे ही पहनना है बिकॉज मोस्टली सरोजनी में जो भी मैं कपड़े लेती हूँ मोस्टली घर पे ही काम आते हैं. बट दिस इज़ समथिंग विच आई कैन एक्चुअली वेयर आउटसाइड. इन फैक्ट टू अ पार्टी. आई एम दैट हैप्पी विद दिस ड्रेस. एंड गेस व्हाट, आई जस्ट गॉट इट फॉर रुपीज़ 200. इसके लिए मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बार्गेन किया. सेकेंड आइटम इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल balloon ruffle, whatever you want to call it. It's a balloon beautiful top and that's how it looks like. The color is very beautiful. Actually the moment I saw it there was one other girl who wanted to buy the same one but luckily मैंने उससे just few seconds पहले ये मांग लिया था. So he was just showing this top to me when she was like इसका प्राइस बताओ भैया. But then तब तक तो ये मेरे पास आ गया था. I was like let's buy this one. इसमें ज़्यादा bargaining नहीं करते otherwise she will take it away. And this was the only piece. इसमें sizes भी नहीं थे. So I literally had no other choice. ये थोड़ा सा मुझे loose भी है but then never mind, I'll get it altered and I'm gonna flaunt it in few of my pictures. So I'm gonna wear this top and upload a lot of pictures on my Instagram. So you can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is surbhivarma1111. So do follow me there and you'll find some great content. The third item which I got is this polka dot beautiful crop top from the same shop and that's how it looks like. It is actually same like the golden one, the same balloon or ruffle top, however you want to call it. The front is very beautiful and to be honest I have a thing for polka dots. मेरे को कहीं भी polka dots दिखते हैं I just simply go and buy. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी काफ़ी कलेक्शन हो चुकी है पोल्का डॉट्स की, सो आई एम गोना शो देम टू यू सून. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस टॉप, इट्स अगैन मेड ऑफ satin, very similar fabric like the golden one. The price is again same 200. And again this one is little loose to me, so I will have to again get it altered. But then I'm really happy with the purchase. So the next item that I got from SN is this spaghetti. इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा बताने वाला है नहीं. It's a plain spaghetti that I got for summers. I have a white one already, but मेरे पास ये कलर था नहीं. Plus it's really stretchable and the material is very good. It's a hosiery material and very comfortable. I love wearing spaghettis and I got this for ₹100. So yeah, nothing much to explain. So the next item from Sarojini is this beautiful gingham jumpsuit. The moment I saw it, I fell in love with the color and I again love checks and that's how it looks like. The front and the back is very same. It's V from both the ends. The neck is actually V. इसके लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा actually bargain भी करना पड़ा because the guy wasn't budging. So he quoted 400 something for it. I think 450 he quoted, but I was like 450 का तो boss ये worth नहीं है. So then मैंने उसके साथ थोड़ा 2-4 मिनट waste किया and I finally got it for ₹200. I'm really happy with the purchase. So the next item is the quad set and I'm really happy with the purchase because the color is truly beautiful and that's how it looks like. The quad set has a shorts and that's how it looks like. It has a lining underneath, so that's really great for summers, and it has a thread work going on, the crochet thing if you can see. So it's a very beautiful shorts, plus the top is again made of the same cloth, very ditto. It's basically a quad as I said. It has a free size and that's how it looks like. Again it came with the lining. That's how the lining looks like, so that's the great deal. Since the quad set is a free size, ये किसी को भी fit हो जाएगा, इसलिए I have decided to give this away as a gift to one of you. And to win this giveaway gift, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below your favorite thing from the whole haul, and you can win this quad set which has a top and a shorts and plus these pearl earrings. The next item is again one of my favorite items and that's how it looks like. It's a palazzo pants or a slit pants, however you want to call it. So first of all there is a wraparound thing going on, you can tie it up and that's how it looks like. It has a belt thing so you can actually wrap it around, and at the bottom you can see a slit right here. It gets converted into a slit plus a lot of beautiful frills at the same time. So a lot is going at the same time and it's a multi-purpose thing, plus a great color for summers. So last but not the least is a basic t-shirt that I always want and that's how it looks like. इस पे Zara का tag लगा है which is definitely fake because actually fake भी नहीं लग रहा, but maybe ये rejected piece हो सकता है. There is nothing wrong with this t-shirt as such, it's not defected. But maybe because of some reason it might have got rejected. I'm really happy. I just got it for ₹200. And also do participate in the giveaway because for all those who don't live in Delhi, they can actually take this from me as a gift and enjoy the clothes from Sarojini for once. And for that all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below your favorite piece of cloth and you can win the earrings and the quad set. So that's the end of my mini Sarojini haul, you guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, and if you want to participate in the giveaway, don't forget to comment down below your favorite piece of cloth, like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And yes, I will see you super soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.